assignment must be in the phone. Sorry for that. Keep your grammar books with you, बच्चे. Sorry. I'm going to present my screen now. So students, today we are going to revise the grammar topics which are there in the revision assignment. You must have seen the revision assignment. Today we are going to revise the topic of revision assignment. Here is the revision assignment. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, Anita ma'am, it's clearly visible.
Okay. Yes. So students, this is, yes. Beta, you are not audible. Yes, speak out, बच्चे.
मैम ना कि मैंने ये किया है, आप मुझे अभी मत समझाओ.
क्या?
Ma'am, the child is saying कि उसने अभी किया नहीं है ये.
No problem, बच्चे. आप अभी समझ लो तो करना और इजी हो जाएगा. Okay? It will become easier for you to attempt this assignment if you understand. You have the understanding. I'm not getting what are you saying. Anji बच्चे, please, everyone, this is a revision assignment. In this revision assignment, we are going to discuss the topics, grammar topics. See, if you see the first chapter number first, the first question is taken from the chapter number 1. Put a tick against the group of words which are sentences and put a cross against those group of words which are not. Okay, means what is the group of sentence? What is sentence? Sentence. What is a sentence? Can anybody tell what is a sentence? Yes, I am going to.
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am, sentence is a group of words that makes any meaning.
That makes any meaning. Very nice. And sentence always start with capital letter. Very nice. And we always put a full stop or a whatever. A full stop after at the end of the sentence. That is the complete sensible sentence. Okay. So here in the first line, in the garden. So I think this is not conveying any sense. कोई sense नहीं ना दे रहा. In the garden. What is in the garden? In the garden. Garden में. Is it showing complete sentence? क्या आपको लग रहा है कि ये complete sentence है? Is it a complete sentence? Write in the chat box. If you think it is a complete sentence. Is it a complete sentence? Write in chat box. No. Very nice. Okay. Because it's not conveying any sense. Beta, chapter number 1. Why are you asking me page number? Okay. Then at number 2, Monica, a good girl. Number 2, then say no, yes or no. Okay. Type the number of the question also. Yes. Why it's not a complete? It's not a sentence. Why is it not a sentence? ID witness studio. K2 witness studio. Rudraksh. Monica, a good girl. Why is it not a complete sentence? Rudraksh, I am asking you. Yes, बोलिए. You can't see? Why? Okay, I am telling you.
Monica is a Ashkish.
Yes, pardon. I'm not listening to you. I'm not able to listen to you. Yes, Puche?
Mom, can I speak?
No. Ma'am, there was No. Is very nice. Is missing. Monica is a good girl. Very nice. Harshika. ID with Saurabh Kaura. Very nice. Because is missing. Is जो है वो missing है. That's why it is not a complete sentence. Monica a good girl. Monica is a good girl. Very nice. Then at number 3, so it is not a complete sentence. Then at number 3, the baby is hungry. Is it a complete sentence? Is it a complete sentence? Yes, because it is conveying the proper sense. Meaning हमें convey कर रहा है baby hungry है, baby भूखा है. Okay, the baby is hungry. The first letter is capital, and the last of the at the end of this sentence, full stop is there. That's why it is a complete sentence. Okay. Then see the question number B. Put a full stop or a question mark at the end of these sentences. Number 1 is, how do you come to school? मैम मोइस गुड गर्ल सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा हुआ मेरी बुक में. बेटा these sentences are not from your books. This is revision assignment and all the matter is not taken from your book. Only the topics are from your book. Okay. Yes, how do you come to school? What sign will be there? Question mark or full stop? Question mark. Why question mark? Because whenever we ask something, हम कुछ पूछते हैं, हम कुछ knowledge लेना चाहते हैं, तो that becomes a question. हम पूछते हैं what, where, why, how, when, why. Okay. So all these जिससे हम कुछ जानना चाहते हैं, ऐसी स्टेटमेंट्स जिससे हम कुछ चाहते हैं, we want to ask something, we want to have the knowledge, we are having the queries, we want to ask from the other person, that is called question. That statement is known as question. So here in the first sentence we want to know, how do you come to school? आप स्कूल कैसे आते हो? तो हम पूछ रहे हैं, we are trying to inquire the things, कैसे आते हो? So that is the question. So here question mark will be there. I am not going to write the answer because I will send the answer key in the group. Okay, right now I am just telling you. Okay. Haji. Number 2, she was playing with Nancy. Yes. Full stop or question mark? What will be here? Full stop or question mark? Yes. Full stop will be here. Yes. Because this is just saying something about a noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun के बारे में हमें simple statement. हमें बस हमारी just statement बता रहा है, उसके बारे में कुछ बता रहा है, कुछ पूछ नहीं रहा है. No question is being put here. They are just giving us the information. When simple information is given, that is called a simple sentence, and we put the full stop after that. At number 3, who is your best friend? Which mark will be there? Yes, question mark. Very nice. Why question mark will be there? I have told you that whenever you want to ask, we want to ask anything from others, we want to have the knowledge. And to have that knowledge, we put some question. हमारा जो statement है वो कुछ जानना चाहता है, that is called question. That is, or at the end of the question, we always put a question mark. So at number 3, question mark will be there. Who is your best friend? Question mark. Write in reader. जब आप reader के question answers करते हो ना, in the question you put question mark because there you want to, there you are given the question and then you write the answer of that question. Yes, please. Who is unmuted, बच्चे? Do you want to ask any question, बच्चे?
Ma'am, she is continuously unmuting herself.
What's the name of the child, ma'am? Name of ID?
ID with Vinod Kumar.
ID with Vinod Kumar, please.
मैम
Don't
शी इज
disturb
आस्किंग फॉर द
other-
क्वेश्चन मार्क. बेटे वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है. मैम आपको समझा रहे हैं कि क्वेश्चन मार्क डालना है कि फुल स्टॉप डालना है.
मैंने आंसर नहीं लिखने हैं बिकॉज आप क्या करते हो, यहाँ से आंसर देख के आप आंसर लिखने में बिजी हो जाते हो. यू पीपल बिकम बिजी फॉर राइटिंग द आंसर एंड यू डोंट पे अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस वर्क. ओके, so it's better you have the understanding first. ओके आपको समझा रही हूँ ना, जब आप दोबारा से इसको करोगे देन यू रिकॉल द थिंग्स. ओके मैम ने क्या समझाया था, क्या हमें करना है, व्हाट द मैम हैज टोल्ड अस एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. ओके that's why I'm not going to type here the answers, because this is assignment. Now these are not the activities कि मैं साथ साथ में इसके answers लिखूं. Okay. Yes. Now arrange these words to form sentences. As you know, sentence is a group of words which conveys the complete sense. Complete sense, and the first letter is capital, and the end of every sentence full stop or marks accordingly. It's there. Okay. So now you have to arrange the words. Now words are written in a, no, they are not in, these words are not in order. You have to arrange the words and you have to frame the sentence. The chair are new. The chair, it's chairs. The chairs are new. Very nice. Manjeet Kaur Tura. Yes, the chairs are new. Very nice. And full stop is not there at the end of this sentence. If full stop is not there, half mark will be deducted. Okay, half mark. If the proper sign is not there, half mark will be deducted. Please, you some of the students, they are not having the habit of putting the full stop at the end of sentence, because beta it's very much important. अगर आप full stop नहीं डालते, if you don't put the full stop, half marks will be deducted. Okay. Okay. Then early he up woke. Yes. Early he woke. He woke up early. Very nice, Maheen. Very nice. He woke up early. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, next, your question is part D. Circle the common names and underline the special name in these sentences. Now, please write what are in the first sentence. What are the common names and what are the special name? Write C before common and write S before special name. Ganga is a holy river of India. Please tell me. Rudraksh, please stop doing like this. You are just wasting your time. Rudraksh. No one is sitting with you, Rudraksh. Are you sitting alone? Rudraksh, are you sitting alone? I am asking you, Rudraksh.
Hello.
Yes, मैम. ये रुद्राक्ष ना ऐसे ही कुछ 1 1 2 2 टाइप करे जा रहा है. मैम प्लीज इसको देखना जरा. ये कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर रहा है स्टडीज पे. ओके, ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है ये. यूजुअली मैं इसको नोट करती हूँ. 2-3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो ऐसे ही करते हैं मैम. ठीक है मैम. थैंक यू. हाँ जी. यस बच्चे. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, गंगा इज अ होली रिवर ऑफ इंडिया. यस, व्हाट आर द स्पेशल नेम्स देयर? What are the special names? India, yes. Ganga, very nice. India, Ganga, very nice. And what is the common name here? What is the common name? Yes, very nice. Just Roop Singh, very nice. S, Ganga, India, C, common, C, river. Quickly grasp the instructions. Very nice. Okay, G of Ganga will be capital and I of India will be capital. Okay, take care of this thing. The special noun always start with capital letters. Special noun हमेशा capital letters से start होते हैं. Okay, if you are not able to understand what are the special name, then one thing is their first letter is capital. But take care of this thing. ये फर्स्ट लेटर भी है और फर्स्ट लेटर स्पेशल का फर्स्ट लेटर है और ये सेंटेंस का भी फर्स्ट लेटर है. टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. ओके, व्हेन द स्पेशल नेम, व्हेन द सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विद स्पेशल नेम, देन यू हैव टू टेक केयर. वहां पे आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. हियर इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड whether it is special noun or a just common noun. Okay, for that you should have the understanding what are special name and what are common name. Naming words मतलब name of any person, place, thing or animal. Okay, the simple जो common name, ठीक है, जिससे चीजें जानी जाती हैं, those are common name. But when we give the special name to the common name, एक नाम दिया जाता है, एक स्पेशल नेम दे दिया जाता है उसकी पहचान के लिए, फॉर द recognition of that common name that becomes a special name. Okay, like rivers are many, but Ganga is given to the special name of that river. So Ganga is a special name. All the rivers of the world are not Ganga. Only one river is there whose name is Ganga. So river is a common noun and Ganga is the special noun. Okay. Yes. In sentence number 2, Taj Mahal is in Agra. So please tell me, is there any common noun? Please write common noun or special name in this sentence. Yes. These, okay, special name, Amardeep Kaur, yes, special name. Beta, please don't write like, Vinu Sood, please don't write like this, okay? So, Vinu Sood, ID with Vinu. Samriddhi, unmute yourself. Samriddhi, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hanji, why are you doing like this? Huh? I am not going to check it. Why have you done like this? बेटा प्लीज मैम समझा रहे हैं तो उसको पहले समझो. ओके, आई नो यू आर वेरी मच सिंसियर इन स्टडीज बट डोंट डू लाइक दिस. ओके बच्चे, ठीक है? ऐसे फिर सब अपने एफर्ट्स नहीं लगाएंगे. All students will not put their efforts like this. Okay, let all students participate in this lecture. Okay, so Taj Mahal and Agra. Is there any common noun in sentence number 2? Is there any common noun, बच्चे? बेटा Taj Mahal, Gurleen Kaur, T will be capital of Taj Mahal, Agra. Yes. Is there any common noun? No. Very nice, Sanvi. No common noun is there. Yes. Then at number 3, tailor stitches are clothes. Yes. C tailor, C clothes. Mahiraj. Very nice. So is there any special name in this sentence? Sentence number 3, tailor stitches are clothes? No. Okay. What is stitches? What is stitches? बच्चे stitches क्या है फिर? What is stitches? What is stitches? Wow, very nice. Stitches means सिलना. टेलर हमारे कपड़े सिलता है. ठीक है? Stitches means सिलना. Okay. Okay. Now E part, change from one to many. Okay, you have to make the plural of these words. A packet. A packet. What will be answer here? A packet. Yes. What will be the plural of this? Packet, packets. A will not be there. A will not be there. A का मतलब एक packet. So yes, packets will be there. Mahiraj, A will not be there. Okay. Okay. Number 2, a child. What will the plural? Yes, children. Very nice. Children's nahi. This is a common mistake what the students do. Children's, they write children's. No, it's children only, not S. It's children only. CHILDREN, children. Yes. Number 3, a woman. A woman, women. A woman, women. Yes, women, women. Okay. WOOMEN, women. Okay. At number 4, a tooth. A tooth, teeth. Very nice. One is tooth, many teeth. Okay. My tooth was aching. My tooth was paining. Okay. My teeth are paining. Okay. Like this. Okay. Next. Very good response I am getting. Students are very sincere. The sincere students, they are giving the answers. And really, I would like to clap for those who are participating. And I am very sorry for those who are just typing emojis in the chat box. Very bad for those. I know some students are there, 4 or 5 students are there who are not serious in their studies. And I am very happy for those students. I am very I would like to clap for those students who are participating. Very nice. Very well done, students. Okay, part E. Circle the doing words in these sentences. Okay. Now, the lion roared when he saw the hunter. The lion roared. Yes. What are the Samriddhi, lion, hunters? I am talking about doing words. Samriddhi, what happened to you? Beta, doing words you have to look for. Yes, doing words means any action, as in the last lecture in chapter 14 we had done, and 4-5 chapters are there which are related to the doing words. 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, all these chapters, 14, 15, 16, 17, all the chapters are related to the doing words. Okay, this is this topic I have taken from chapter number 14. So doing words means the doing words which the words which tell us about the actions of जो भी animal है, animal, thing, जब person, whatever that person does, that person or animal or thing does, the word used for that are known as doing words. Okay, so doing words, form of verb show the doing words. First form of verb shows the present tense. Second form of verb shows the past tense. So here the lion roared when he saw the hunter. I think
Anita ma'am, sorry.
yes, something happened. Some other student is presenting, that's why.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Visible, ma'am? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
lion roared when he saw the hunter. Roared मतलब गुर्राया. Lion roar करना, गरजाना जिसको बोलते हैं हम. Okay, okay. Lion ने roar किया when he saw the hunter. जब उसने hunter को देखा. Hunter mean what is hunter here? The lion and hunter. Lion और hunter क्या है? Noun or verb? These are noun or verb? Lion and hunter. What are lion and hunter here? Nouns. Yes, we naming words, we जिसको हम बोलते हैं, we also call noun as naming words. Naming words or noun, one and same thing. Okay, in exam you may get this word naming word, you may also get this word noun. Okay, this thing should be clear that both are same, naming words or noun. Okay, common name means common. Yes बच्चे बोलिए बेटा. गौरव चोपड़ा. यस बच्चे, आईडी विद गौरव चोपड़ा बोलिए.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Is it
it's
audible?
clearly audible, bete.
Audible,
Yes,
bete,
ma'am. It's audible.
Okay. The lion roared when he saw the hunter. Lion ने roar किया जब उसने hunter को देखा. Okay, these are past. These verbs are in the past tense. Okay. And number 2, the soldiers march down the road. The soldiers marching पता ना आप कैसे, जैसे प्रॉपर अटेंटिवली वो वॉक करते हैं ना, मार्च करते हैं. ओके, आपके स्कूल में भी देखा होगा मार्चिंग. यू मस्ट हैव सीन द स्टूडेंट marching in the ground, and on this national festivals you must have seen on the television how the soldiers march on the path. ठीक है, so the same word is used here, marched. Soldiers ने march किया down the road पे march किया. Okay, so marched is the doing word. Okay, and this is the second form. Roared was also the second form, saw was also the second form, and marched is also the second form of verb. These are showing the past tense. Okay, then at number 3, eat your breakfast quickly. Eat your breakfast quickly. Yes, eat. Okay, very nice. Eat your breakfast quickly. Very nice. And what is breakfast here? Breakfast. What is breakfast? Breakfast क्या है बच्चे? I'm asking you about the breakfast. Yes, noun. Bhanu Bhandari. Yes, very nice noun. Okay. Now fourth sentence. Go fast. Yes, very nice. Very small sentence. Go fast. Jaldi jao. Go fast. Go is the first form of verb. What are the other forms of verb of go? Second and third. Yes, what are the second? Go, went, gone. Very nice. Go, went, gone. Very nice. Okay, what are the other two forms of eat? E-A-T, eat. What are the other forms of verb? Eat. Forms of verb eat. Yes, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, beta, please keep this thing in mind. Whenever you writing the forms of verb, the first letter of every word is small. When single word is written, that always start with small letter, not with capital letter. Okay. Yes. So student, this was all from my side. We have revised chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 14. These many chapters are revised today. Okay. Please, you also revise these chapters properly and do the extra practice. You can get many assignments from the net से बहुत सारी assignment इस topics के बारे में आती हैं. Please have the assignments from there and do the extra practice. If you don't have any extra book, you can get the assignments from the net. Okay. ठीक है, वो टॉपिक्स आपको ऐसे नहीं मिलेंगे जैसे हमारे हैं, बट समथिंग यू विल गेट. ओके बच्चे, सो दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू रुपिंदर मैम, रूपाली मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए.
Ma'am, we do is am, was, were, have, has, had, go, goes.
वो बाद में, अभी एक ही दिन में सारा करवा लेना मैंने.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
that will be done later on. ठीक है, daily we will revise some of all the chapters. We can't revise बच्चे. This much time is not there. Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Rupali ma'am, you can take the class. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Good morning, ma'am. All class.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning. We are fine, ma'am.
Fine.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Let me just share the screen
Good
for
morning,
you.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning in the chat box. You can type in the chat box.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all? In
We
the
are
chat box,
fine, ma'am.
I am.
We are fine,
We are
ma'am.
fine. Very good. So I welcome you all to your GK activity class today. आप सबका मैं यहाँ पे वेलकम करती हूँ. And today we are going to do chapter number 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. जो पुराने हमारे चैप्टर थे हम आज वही करेंगे जो हमने सीटी में किए हुए हैं. ठीक है, जिनकी आज आपको मैंने गूगल फॉर्म में भेजी है इन रिविजन एज वेल. ठीक है, आज हम वही रिवाइज करेंगे यहाँ पे. सो शैल वी स्टार्ट? यस और नो इन द चैट बॉक्स.
हम जीके का काम है. हम जीके का काम है.
Yes or no in the chat box?
मैंने सुबह कर ली थी.
Yes, and no one is going to unmute. Okay? कोई unmute नहीं करेगा. You will listen to me very carefully. I am watching all.
Your voice is not audible.
Beta, I will tell ma'am. Please keep yourself on mute.
Okay. Okay, okay. Rupinda ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, Rupali ma'am. The child with the ID of Raman Sharma, beta, you are not to mute the teacher. Please continue, Rupali ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Rupinda ma'am. Okay, now first of all, a riddle for you in the chat box में answer देंगे आप. Okay? Yes, Arman, you can't unmute. Okay? आप chat box में answer देंगे. Okay, a riddle for you on your screen is here. A man who was outside in the rain without an umbrella or hat didn't get a single hair on his head wet. Why? In the chat box. जो unmute करेगा उसका आंसर नहीं हमने देना, उसका आंसर नहीं चेक करना. एक मैन था, वो बाहर घूम रहा था और अम्ब्रेला नहीं थी उसके पास, बारिश हो रही थी. ठीक है, बट उसके कोई भी बाल गीला नहीं हुआ. वाई? सन, नो. सोचो इन द चैट बॉक्स.
मैम क्योंकि बारिश ही नहीं पड़ी.
बारिश हो रही थी. रेनकोट, उसे रेनकोट धान भी कहती है मैम रेनकोट. ओके, एंड वी हैव द आंसर फ्रॉम परीक्षा. परीक्षा ने आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक दिया है। द मैन वॉज बोट, वो गंजा था आदमी, उसके बाल ही नहीं थे तो वो बारिश में गीले कैसे होंगे उसके बाल, राइट? समझ लग गया? यस और नो इन द चैट बॉक्स? यस, नो, नो रिस्पॉन्स। ओके, वीनू सूद, वेरी गुड बच्चे, आपको समझ आ गया है, वेरी नाइस। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट आई एम मूविंग to first round of our GK activity. Identify the personalities. Okay, some pictures will be shown to you and you will answer A, B, C option. Okay, इनमें से आपने जो सही आंसर है you will write in the chat box. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 is this picture. A, Virat Kohli, B, Salman Khan, or C, Narendra Modi. And we have answers. Very good. I can see. No one is going to unmute. अनम्यूट कोई नहीं करेगा, अच्छे बच्चों की तरह यू विल टाइप ओवर हियर इन द चैट बॉक्स। ओके, ऐसे बाकी बच्चे भी डिस्टर्ब होते हैं और आपका ध्यान भी नहीं लगता पढ़ाई में फिर। ठीक है, साथ साथ में मस्ती भी करते हैं, साथ साथ में हम रिवीजन भी कर रहे हैं, तो अच्छे से रिवीजन करनी है। ठीक है, अरमान वेरी गुड, गुनराज, हिम्मत, अंशिका, अनाहत, कशिश, अभव, महिराज वेरी गुड, रिधि, परिशा, मन्नत, all are saying it's C option, Narendra Modi. Very good. Okay, question number 2 on your screen. A, Kapil Sharma, B, Mahatma Gandhi, or C, PV Sindhu. And yes, I can see all knows the correct answer. Very good, Tejveer, Japleen, Sahibveer, and Arav is there. ID with Ruchi Agarwal. Very good, bache. Panav, very good. Harman, Sanvi, excellent. Harshita, Simarpreet, very good. Navya and Jasroop, Ayush, Shaurya, Hitanshi, all are giving correct answer. It's A, Kapil Sharma. Very good. Okay, number 3 on your screen. Let's see, अब ये किसको पता है? A, भगत सिंह, B, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, और C, महात्मा गांधी. And Mahi knows the answer correctly. अरमान को भी पता है. Very good, अरमान. Maheen, very good, and Divish, very good. Abhav, Hitanshi, Mannat, Himmat, okay, Parisha, very good. ID, Saurav Kaura, very good. Very good, Hitanshi, Mitakshi Sharma, very good, Smriti. All are giving correct answer. It's B, Lal Bahadur Shastri. And who was the first Prime Minister of India? It's Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the first Prime Minister of, second Prime Minister of India. Second Prime Minister India के वो, ठीक है? Okay, now next question on your screen. A, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Mahatma Gandhi, or C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And this personality is the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, ये first थे और लाल बहादुर शास्त्री was the second. And all are giving correct answer. It's A, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Very good, everyone. Kashish, Mahiraj, Mannat, Sukhraj, Simar, Sahibir, Manya, Jivesh, Dan, Prabhu, Anshika, Riddhi. Very good, Pari. Excellent response. Okay, now second question, second round on your screen. Choose a correct option. अगर आपके सामने अब फिर से थोड़े से क्वेश्चन आएंगे and you will give answer. First,
रूपाली मैम, there is some sound जैसे बेल की होती है, maybe.
Yes, ma'am. It's vendor outside, ma'am. I can't do anything on.
Okay.
Okay, which of these is the most famous Indian of all time? PV Sindhu, Virat Kohli, or Mahatma Gandhi? And I can see all of you know very well. आप सबको बहुत अच्छे से ये पता है पहले से ही. श्री महात्मा गांधी. Very good. Very good, Smriti, Sahibpreet, Harshita. अच्छे बच्चे हैं जो चैट बॉक्स पे लिख रहे हैं, अनम्यूट नहीं कर रहे. कितने अच्छे बच्चे हैं. वेरी गुड ईशान, शौर्य, वेरी गुड हरमन, जिवेश, धन, अमरी, वेरी गुड. ओके, number 2 question. PV Sindhu is associated with which sport? कौन सी खेल के साथ वो जुड़ी हुई है? A, हॉकी, B, बैडमिंटन, और C, क्रिकेट. and I know my students already know the answer. उन सबको पहले से पता है कि PV Sindhu is associated with badminton. Very good, Anu. Tejveer. Okay, ID with Simar, Dhamija, very good बच्चे. Naitik Gera, very good. Arman, Kashish, Prabnoor, Palika, very good. Harshita, Jasrook, Mannat, Smriti, all have given correct answer. It's B, badminton. Number 3 question on your screen. Dash was a famous freedom fighter. A. Virat Kohli, B. Salman Khan और C. महात्मा गांधी. इन तीनों में से फ्रीडम फाइटर कौन थे? विराट कोहली थे, सलमान खान या महात्मा गांधी? And I know the answer. Let me just see the chat box. And yes, Ayush, Ishan, Sahib, Preet, Kashish, Himmat, Naitik, Sukhraj, Harshita, all have given correct answer. It's C. Mahatma Gandhi. Very good above. Tejvi, Navya, you all have given excellent answer. Okay, question number 4 on your screen now. आपकी screen पे question number 4 is here, and yes, which is the Harvest Festival of Punjab. A. Baisakhi, B. Onam और C. Christmas. And we all know very well, हम सबको पता है, हम पंजाब में रहते हैं, that it's A. Baisakhi. Very good, Himmat, Smriti, Harshpreet, Arman, Dhan, Rudraksh, Manna, Jivesh. Very good. Panav, Navya, Kashish, and we have Parisha, Manya, Riddhi. Very good, Shaurya. Very good, Satvik. Very good, Madhav. All have given correct answer. It's A. Baisakhi. Okay, question number 5 on your screen. And whose birthday is celebrated on 25th of December every year? किसका birthday मनाया जाता है? King Mahabali, Jesus Christ और महात्मा गांधी? And we all know that it's B. Jesus Christ. Very good. And 25th December को क्या होता है? कौन सा festival होता है? In the chat box we will write. कौन सा फेस्टिवल होता है? वेरी गुड गुनतेज. क्रिसमस. वेरी गुड. अबव को भी पता है क्रिसमस. तानिया वेरी गुड. स्मृति, रुद्राक्ष, ओके, मान्या को भी आता है. हरकीरत वेरी गुड. यू ऑल नो ऑन 25th वी सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस. वेरी गुड अरमान. Okay, question number 6 on your screen is which festival marks the homecoming of King Mahabali? इसका इसके आने की खुशी में ये फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है. ओनम, क्रिसमस और ईद उल फितर. Yes, your answers are correct. It's A. Onam. Very good. Very good to all. Okay, question number 7 on your screen. Question number 7 on your screen. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru or C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak? And I can see that you all know it very well. It's B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. ये आपको आ गया है क्वेश्चन, अच्छे से आपको समझ आ गया है ना? अब आप भूलोगे भी नहीं है. प्रगनूर, मन्नत, हरमन, वेरी गुड. गुनराज, एकम, पनब, कशिश, नव्या, ईशान, अमरीन, Rudraksh, very good. You all have given correct answer. Okay, question number 8 on your screen now, which is our national flower. हमारे देश का नेशनल फ्लावर कौन सा है? लोटस, ओलिएंडर और सनफ्लावर. एंड हमें ये पहले से मैम पता है, हमें तो आता है ये क्वेश्चन पहले से ही. इट्स ए लोटस. वेरी गुड टू ऑल. सबको पहले से आता है ये. मन्ना, सिमर, साहिब, रुद्राक्ष, ओके, तनवीर, आयुष, स्मृति, वेरी गुड. हरकीरत, इट्स ए लोटस. Question number 9 on your screen. Who gave the slogan जय जवान जय किसान? जय जवान जय किसान, ये किसने स्लोगन दिया था? ए. महात्मा गांधी, बी. बाल गंगाधर तिलक और सी. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. And from the picture you can also recognize कि ये पिक्चर किसकी है. आपको पता लग जाता है साथ में देखते ही. साथ में पिक्चर का भी नॉलेज है ना? इस क्वेश्चन से आपको पिक्चर का भी पता लग गया कि किसकी पिक्चर है. रिकॉग्नाइज पिक्चर भी हो गया है, साथ में आंसर भी सबको पता लग गया है. इट्स सी. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. इट्स सी, ऑप्शन सी. अनाहत, रिद्धि, वेरी गुड बच्चे. Okay, question number 10. Children used to call Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as dash. उनको क्या बोलते थे? A, चाचा, B, uncle और C, father. Yes, your answers are correct. It's A, chacha. Very good, Harshita, Tejveer, Mannat, Sanvi, Harshpreet, Navya, Dhan, Rudraksh, Anahat, Ayush, Shaurya, all have given correct answer. Okay, Kashish, very good. I can see you all know that it's A, chacha. ठीक है, उनको चाचा बोलते थे.
Excuse me, Rupali ma'am.
Yes, Rupinda ma'am.
Ma'am, there is a child with the ID of Seema. Bete, why are you continuously unmuting yourself? As soon as I mute her, she keeps on unmuting herself. Bete, your camera is not visible as well. You just keep moving here and there. Please sit at one place, bache, and pay attention. Please continue, Rupali ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Rupinda ma'am. बेटा मैम का कहना मानेंगे आप, म्यूट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, आप अच्छे बच्चे हो ना. Okay, so let's start with the riddle on your screen. Okay, what has a head and a tail but no body? उसके पास हेड है, उसके पास टेल भी है, उसके पास बॉडी नहीं है. वो कौन है? And very good, Abha. Very good, Maheen, Parisha, Hitanshi, Kunraj. You all know the answer. आपको पहले से पता था. Arman, Kashish, very good to all. Sanvi, very good. Ishan, Kanwal, very good. Malika, Ekam, Fareen, you all know it's coin. Coin की head होती है, coin में tail होता है, उसकी body नहीं होती. Very good. You all know the answer. Okay, now rearrange the words. आपको थोड़े से वर्ड आपको दिखाए जाएंगे यहाँ पे, आप उनको rearrange करके बताओगे ये word कौन सा बना है. ठीक है? On your screen, first word is this one. And from the picture you can also recognize the picture भी हमारे साथ में ही cover हो जाएगा इसके साथ, right? Okay, ये कौन सा word होगा in the chat box? And Parisha knows the answer. Very good, Parisha. Prabnoor, Abha, Maheen, Gulleen, very good. Hitanshi, Smridhi, okay. Saurabh, Kaura, very good बच्चे. Satvik, Gunraj, Arman, Jasroop, Himmat, Sanvi, all know it's fencing. What are the spelling for fencing? F-E-N-C-I-N-G. Very good. You all know the answer. Okay. Now, second picture on your screen. Let's see who knows the answer for this question. And we have students with us who know very well. Yes, it's Maheen, Tanya, Arman, Parisha, Gunraj, Hitanshi, Kanwar, Prabnoor, and then Smridhi, Kashish. Very good, Saurav, Bache, Satvik, Jasroop, Mahiraj, Anish, Himmat, all have given correct answer. It's B, boxing. Right? Boxing is answer. Very good. You all know the answer. Ayushman, very good. Anshika, Japlin, Harman, very good bache. Okay, now third picture on your screen. And let's see, ये किसको पता है? Yes, जैसी picture दिखी सबने लिख दिया पहले ही, है ना? Anahat, very good. Very good, Abha, Maheen, Arman. Very good, Prabnoor. Very good, Kanwar. Tanya, Tejveer, Kashish, Gunraj, very good. Very good, Jasroop, Mannat, all know the answer. Correct answer is Sumo. Very good, Ishan. Very good, Ayush, Gulli. Very good, Pareen. Okay. देखो हमने कितने क्वेश्चन साथ साथ में कर लिए है ना. एक साथ में हमने ट्रू फॉल्स भी अब आ गए हैं, रिकॉग्नाइज भी कर लिया, रीअरेंज भी कर लिया, चूज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन भी कर लिया है ना, आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर भी कर लिया. कितने ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस हमने कर लिए साथ साथ, है ना, और टाइम भी नहीं लगा ज्यादा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. ठीक है, अब हम ट्रू और फॉल्स की तरफ चलते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. We celebrate Christmas on 25th of July every year. And let me see. Yes, you all know the answer. It's A, true, or B, false. And my students of second red and second blue class knows that it's B. Very good. कौन से डेट को होता है सेलिब्रेट? Can you write on the chat box? Chat box में लिख सकते हो. मन्नत ने लिखा. Very good. 25th of December. Very good Maheen, very good Hitanshi, Abab, Parisha, आपको याद है. Okay, Mitakshi 25th of December बच्चे. And Gunteg, very good बच्चे. You all know the correct date. And whose birthday is celebrated? In the chat box, whose birthday is celebrated? Very good Hitashi, बहुत अच्छे बच्चे.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, very good Abhav, very good Navya. Okay, very nice. ID with Saurabh Kaura बच्चे, Mahiraj बहुत अच्छे बच्चे. Arman. Okay, then we have. Okay, these answers are from Smriddhi. Very good बच्चे, you have given correct answer. Okay, now second question on your screen. Eid al-Fitr is an important religious festival celebrated by the Muslim that marks the end of Ramadan. Is it true or false? Yes, I can see that student knows it is true. Very good. ईद उल फितर कहता कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल होता है मुस्लिम धर्म में. कब मनाया जाता है वो? रमजान के एंड में मनाया जाता है. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? यस, इट इज ट्रू. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. Oleander is a type of flower. A true or false? And I can see that it's a true and all knows. और ये नीचे जो flowers आपको नजर आ रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पे ये oleander ही है. ये सारे oleander ही है. ठीक है, ये पिक्चर उसी की है. Very good Prabnoor, very good Tanveer. And I can see Harman knows it's A. Japleen, Navya, Maheen, Arman, Mannat, Abba. So many students have written ki ma'am it's A. Very good to all. Okay. Now next. Subhash Chandra Bose is known as Bapu or father of the nation. ये true है कि false है? ये सबको आता है ये question. That it is false. B, false. Very good Tejveer, Jivesh, Tanya, Sahib Preet, Mannat, Gulleen, Satvik. Very good Anish, Kashish, Harman, Pareen. Very good Amreen, Kanwar. Okay, Saksham, very nice. You know it's false.
आज गूगल फॉर्म होता है.
Ashita, very good Ayush, Mannat, Navya.
आज गूगल फॉर्म होता है.
सुभाष चंद्र बोस को नहीं बोलते फादर ऑफ द नेशन. किसको बोलते हैं फादर ऑफ द नेशन इन द चैट बॉक्स? किसको बोलते हैं? Who is known as the father of the nation?
महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी.
See, बच्चे महात्मा
गांधी.
वेरी बैड, वेरी बैड. हम अच्छे बच्चे हैं ना मैम के. आप कितने प्यारे बच्चे हो मैम के. आपको कहना मानते हैं ना. अनम्यूट नहीं करना. अच्छे बच्चों की तरह चैट बॉक्स पे लिखते हैं, साथ साथ में लिखते हैं. आप अच्छे बच्चे हो ना. एंड आई कैन सी मेरे अच्छे बच्चों को पता है पहले से ही. ओके, तेजवीर, अभव एंड तान्या. ओके, प्रभनूर, परिशा, गुंटेक, स्मृति, गुल्लीन. वेरी गुड सक्षम, पलिका. ओके, साहिब वीर, मन्नत, अनाहत. वेरी गुड. सबको पता है कि मैम सुभाष चंद्र बोस को नहीं बोलते, महात्मा गांधी को बोलते हैं बापू और फादर ऑफ द नेशन. Very good. Yes, Arman is saying we can't unmute ourselves. This is a rule. Very good, Arman. आपने सब बच्चों को याद करवाया कि ये रूल है हमारा. Very nice. Okay. Now number 3 question on your screen. Bhagat Singh was born in a Sikh family and known for his great patriotism. ये true होगा कि ये false होगा? ठीक है, कहते वो सिख फैमिली को बिलोंग करते थे और उनको देशभक्ति के लिए जाना जाता है. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? एंड आई एम सीइंग द चैट बॉक्स ओवर हियर. सब बच्चों को पहले से पता है इट्स ट्रू. यस, हिम्मत, सिमर, धन, अच्छे बच्चे हैं जो अनम्यूट नहीं करते. ठीक है, साथ साथ में लिखते हैं चैट बॉक्स पे, साथ साथ में रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड रुद्राक्ष, शंशिका, सिमर, अमृत. वेरी नाइस. इट्स ए ट्रू. और बेटा आप किसी और बच्चे को म्यूट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, आप अच्छे बच्चे हो ना, सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू म्यूट एनी अदर स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, वेरी गुड महिराज, तनवीर, हर्षिता, वामिका. Yes, very good, Gulleen. Okay. Rupinder ma'am, Kanwar is writing something in the chat box. Ma'am, is tomorrow a PTM? Rupinder ma'am?
There is no such information. First Saturday, but the second Saturday is PTM.
Okay, Kanwar, I hope आपको आपका आंसर
Sunday,
मिल
I
गया हो.
think. Yes, it's second Sunday, but not tomorrow is not PTM.
Thank you so much, Rupinder ma'am. Okay, now next round on your screen, identify the flowers.
मैम कल
Yes.
पेरेंट्स मीटिंग है.
नहीं है बेटा. ठीक है, identify the flower. A picture will be shown. 3 options are there, and you will tell कि ये इसका correct answer कौन सा होगा. Okay. And number 1 picture on your screen. A oleander, B daisy, or C daffodil. एंड सब बच्चों को ऑलरेडी पता है मैम, हमें तो पहले से आता है ना. महीन, कन्वर, बिल्कुल सही. अरमान, एकम, हर्षिका, वेरी गुड. नव्या, इट्स बी डेजी. वेरी गुड हर्षप्रीत, रिद्धि, यू ऑल आर गिविंग करेक्ट आंसर. जिवेश, अभव, वेरी गुड. डेजी बिल्कुल ठीक है. ओके, धन, वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ नंबर 2 पिक्चर ऑन योर स्क्रीन. अब ये पिक्चर देखिए, किसको पता है? ये सबको आती है, आई नो. ए सनफ्लावर, बी डालिया, और सी ब्लूबेल. यस, आई कैन सी इन द चैट बॉक्स. सबको पहले से ही आता है ना. वेरी गुड. Excellent response from your side. And you should not unmute in between. ID with Raman Sharma बच्चे, it's request to you. बार बार आप बीच में unmute नहीं करेंगे. Very good Anish, very good Gunraj, Sanvi, Gulleen, Ekam, Jivesh, Harshita, Harshika, okay, Pareen, Simar, Smridhi, Harshprit, Mannat, you all know the correct answer. It's A, sunflower. Sukraj, very good Rudraksh, excellent response. Okay, now third picture on your screen. A marigold, B bluebell, or C oleander. And yes, we know the correct answer to this question. It's B bluebell. Very good Abhav, very good Maheen. कितने अच्छे से आप रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं इन द चैट बॉक्स. एक्सीलेंट रिस्पॉन्स धन, वेरी गुड. कलर देख के पता लग गया ना कि मैम ये तो ब्लू बेल है ना. ब्लू कलर का बेल सा बना हुआ, सो ये ब्लू बेल होगा, है ना. परीन, वेरी गुड बच्चे. पालिका, Amrit, you all know correct answer. Very good. Okay. So this was for your activity part. Now for your Google form. Google form में आप क्या करेंगे? आपके साथ पहले से ही जो इसकी रिवीजन असाइनमेंट का Google फॉर्म है ना, वो आपके चैट बॉक्स पे, सॉरी चैट बॉक्स बोल दिया, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में पहले से आपके साथ शेयर है, राइट. तो आज आपका वर्क क्या है? आप क्या करोगे कि आपने जितना भी आज लर्न कर लिया, आपने अच्छे से लर्न कर लिया है ना. आई नो आपने कर लिया है ना. तो वो जितना भी आपने लर्न कर लिया है, ये 5 चैप्टर, तो आज आपने ये 5 चैप्टर की रिवीजन आपको गूगल फॉर्म इन द चैट बॉक्स ऑफ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, आपके ग्रुप में शेयर है, तो आप आज वो सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, दिस वाज फॉर योर रिवीजन.
एक्सक्यूज मी